Okay guys, so basically the way this works is there's like this glitched VPN out there that I'm going to show you guys all how to get. But basically when you use it, it gives you like this special Snapchat app that gives you like developer features that no one else has access to, and you're able to like go ahead and remove the device ban. There's a lot of other cool things you could do. You could like increase your Snap score, screenshot storage without other person knowing. But let me just open it up and show you guys. So this is the VPN right here. And once you guys get it, it says thanks for purchasing, but I'll show you guys how to get it for free. But anyways, it's going to say your additional app will now download, enjoy your bonus. So yeah, it's going to say the additional app, and when it means additional app, it's talking about the Snapchat++ app, because like they're the same developers. So you need to get this VPN first, and then you just log into it with the credentials. And then once you log in, the Snapchat++ app will download. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. So like when you open it, it will say like Snapchat developer detected, device ban removed. You can now breach user accounts, screenshot storage without them knowing, get unlimited score, and more. So we're going to click OK. We're just going to click bypass, and it's going to log in without a password. And it's going to say successfully breached. So yeah, you can also log into anyone's account even if you don't know their password. With this developer like hack thing. It's pretty insane, and it's all done with that VPN. So let me go ahead and show you guys. There's additional mods here, as you can see. Increase score, breach users' accounts, screenshot hack, my eyes only hack, free Snapchat Plus. And you can go ahead and just activate any of these that you want to activate. So I'll go ahead and actually type in one right now. Let me see here. All right, so yeah, guys. But yeah, it's absolutely amazing, and it's the easiest way to get unbanned or fix the Snapchat device ban very easily. So how exactly do we get this VPN? Because this is what we need. We need this VPN client here in order to go ahead and get this app, which will remove the device ban and give us all those amazing features. So what we have to do, guys, is we have to go over here. You have to come here. So that's yulu.com. As you guys can see, I'll just zoom in a bit more so you guys can see it. And yeah, you guys have to come to this place on your iOS or Android phone. And once you're here, it's pretty simple. You're going to come over here to pricing. And you'll see the Yulu VPN is $3.99. That's the one we want. It will be a one-time fee only, no recurring charges. And you click Get VPN to claim your VPN now. So I told you guys it is free. It is though. It's $3.99 now, but we're going to be able to get a refund by coming here after we purchase it, and then we'll be able to keep the app. The VPN will stop working, but we'll be able to keep the Snapchat++ app. So to do that, you click Get VPN, and then it will say like $3.99. They have some reviews there. You just click Add to Cart, like that. Then you click View Cart. And now you guys go to Proceed to Checkout. You will see here that it's going to ask you for your info really quick. So you just type in your username, like your name, your country. You don't have to put your exact location, but just your country, phone number, email address, account username. Make sure you guys remember your account username and password. And then it's going to be $3.99. You just go ahead and check out with your card or Apple Pay or Google Pay. And then once you guys make the payment, it will go ahead and let you log in to your account, and then it will give you the credentials to the VPN. So let me go ahead and show you guys what will happen. So once you get your credentials, you just have to get the VPN client. And you'll be able to download it from within your account, or you could just go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you will see the app on the App Store or Google Play Store. If you just type in VPN client, you will see it like this. And you'll see the app right there. You just download it and open it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you do this. And then once you guys get the credentials, you just log into the VPN by clicking on the settings here. You log in, and then it'll say thanks for purchasing our VPN. Your additional app will now download. Enjoy your bonus. So that's how simple this is to do, guys. Once you like see this pop up, if you exit to your home screen, you'll see the Snapchat++ downloading with like the downloading animation icon thing. And then you'll be good to go, and that'll be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.